Simple little pocket fishing kit made out of some 3/4 inch thin wall PVC pipe, a couple of corks from some wine bottles, a little bit of medium weight monofilament line for the fishing line, some little bit of bank line. I think that's like 16 for you can use as a trout line or as a stringer. Some duct tape just because duct tape comes in handy. Take the cork out. You can store stuff inside. I got a couple extra little corks that I use to divide it, and I also use as spare bobbers.